I went to the restroom like for a few minutes and look at this. What just happened? The weather completely changed. It's like windy, pouring. Pretty crazy. Look at that. That hotel, they put like a fake volcano there. This side we got like ocean view with trees, lots of big waves right now. Can't really see through the forest though. There's another mountain side. There's all this empty flat land they can start building. They also have like farms there. Or maybe those are farms as well. But look at the cemetery here. There's the river, the big mountain behind it, the bridge. There's the buffalo down there. Oh man, I can't hold it that steady. Can't hold it that steady. Look at that. I think they planted all these trees. I think they planted all those trees. It doesn't look like a normal forest. Another giant cemetery here. Uh-oh. The mountain fog going over there. And they got some winding roads over there. Look at all the clouds stuck to the trees. Ooh, so shaky. Natural wildlife. Plants. There's the river down there. Okay, along these, they have like these stair things. And I thought it was like for walking up, but it looks like it's actually, if there's enough rain, it turns into a waterfall. But I've only seen one where it had like water coming down. Let's see if we see another one. And if you see all those little pipes sticking out, I think those are supposed to be like water drains. So it drains out of those instead of pushing out the whole cement and stuff. But I haven't been seeing water flowing out of any of it, and it's raining right now, so I don't know. Go all along the river. Along the river again. Look, in the middle of nowhere, another cemetery. Look, they're growing stuff on that hill. Looks like lots of buildings out here. Stopping at a giant gas station in the middle of the mountain.
Oh yeah.
What happened there?
Oh, that fell from the flatbed. Doesn't look like
Something fell out. This. What do they make in there? Dirt. Dirt? What do they make in there? Dirt. It's like a farm or something. There's some cows and piles of wood. Electrical plants here. That's like train tracks I think back there. In a little city, or actually there's a big city now. What's this building in the middle of nowhere? Oh, hotel. The hotels make a lot of money in these places. Got some soccer fields over here. Oh. Okay, so we're here. This place. This is like what, the king's tomb or resting place, Mausoleum. Okay, we're going up. They said the emperor used to live here.
So this whole area is one of the most fiercest battles.
Fiercest battle during the Vietnam
They
War.
kind of have an agreement that they don't go and attack these buildings because they national treasure.
Okay, there's too many people for me to record here.
We need to stay in the book
See?
5. Once we're through here.
There's some bullet holes.
Yeah.
Are you sure that's bullet hole? They didn't hang a sign there?
Those are definitely bullet holes. You look, you can still see some of the leftover on the wall.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Yeah.
The elephant.
Elephant? Oh,
Go and
elephant there. Some horse.
Wait, take a picture.
you in there. Go ahead.
The signs here say not to lie or sit on it. It doesn't say don't climb on it. It doesn't say don't stand on it. Pretty interesting. They just say lying or sitting on. But maybe they meant like leaning on it or something. Let's see what they look like. Oh, lots of people taking pictures. Sorry for the jitteriness. Here you go. Government officials that worked with the king. Look how their beard and theirs like not getting wet. Another one. He put his water bottle there. It said the king believes in all the religions. Their tour guide said. It's not our tour guide, but.
He designed the tomb by himself. He's very well in design the fashion.
So they said it used to be all white, like that, and it all turned black from the weather and rain.
Only 1 meter 50.
Okay, it's starting to rain a lot now. You can see from the almost getting to the top of the place. Looks like they put some incense at the doorway on both sides. Oh, so many people pouring now. We go inside. Wow, look at that. The ceiling. I'm guessing this is the tomb. There's a thing for the incense there. Wrong. This looks like the actual tomb, or what is this? Whoa. They paint up there.
It's him. He's him.
Oh, and over there. I don't know why, but this room, they didn't put all those special stones all over the wall. Look at that. Some swords here. Silver sword, bronze sword. Gifted by French president. This big incense burner. Look at this one. Hey, look, this stuff is made from like broken dishes or something. See that? Pottery. Okay, we're here. Still there, but look at that little statue all the way over there. Look at that. I wonder if this gutter drain system is original from the times. There's a bell up there too. Look at that.